Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another brand new video on my channel. In this video today, we're going to be making some halal styled yellow flavored rice. Alright guys, so to start off, the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe are 3 cloves of garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic in here that has been smashed. I have 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder over here. I have 3.5 bay leaf, 3.5 pieces of bay leaf over here. I have half a teaspoon of paprika over here and half a teaspoon of ground cumin powder over here. I have 3 cups of rice. This is some jasmine rice. And finally, we're going to be needing some water to cook the rice. Now, the amount of water that you choose to use is going to be based on the kind of rice that you have. So, if you know that you have a different kind of rice and it normally takes a certain amount of water to cook it, then that's the amount of water that you want to use as your reference. But for me today, I have 4 cups of water over here to start off. It's give or take. I might be needing more, I might be needing less. And of course I said 3 cups of jasmine rice. So this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using today, with the exception of about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in order to start off this process with some frying. We're going to start off frying the garlic, the turmeric powder, the cumin powder and the paprika, and then we're going to go ahead and add the rice and the water and allow it to cook. Okay guys, so let's jump over to the stove and begin this process. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, I have my oil already on the fire. It's already hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin with my 3 cloves of smashed garlic. You want to get all of that in there. I'm also going to go ahead and add my 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Add all of that in there and allow it to saute a bit before we add the rice and the bay leaf. Alright guys, so after about a minute, you want to go ahead and add your rice into the pan. My rice, I have 3 cups of rice. It has already been washed and it's ready to be placed into the pot. And I currently have my heat on about medium to low guys. You don't want to have your heat too high because then your mixture that you put in first with the powder may start to burn and stick to the bottom. After about a minute of adding my rice to the pot, I'm gonna go ahead and slowly add my water. Okay guys, so you also want to add about a teaspoon of salt to taste. And I'm also going to go ahead and add my bay leaf into this. I'm going to turn my heat up to about medium heat, and I'm going to allow this to come to a boil, and then after it begins boiling, we're going to cover it down and allow it to simmer, and turn your heat down to medium to low. Alright guys, so as you can see here, my rice is now starting to come to a boil. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and place the lid on the pot and allow it to simmer and reduce my heat to about medium to low heat. To clarify, the amount of salt that you add is based on the amount of rice that you're making. I added about half a teaspoon to maybe 1 teaspoon of salt. And you add salt to your taste and to your liking, guys. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and place the lid onto my pot. And I'm going to go ahead and allow this to simmer on about mid to low heat. Alright guys, so here we are. My halal style yellow rice is just about finished. I'm gonna go ahead and let you see all this goodness inside of this pot over here. Look at all of that, guys. Lovely halal style yellow rice. Smelling good, looking good. Here, you guys can get a closer look of that over here. My halal style yellow rice. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to join me another time, another day for another tasty recipe.